Hold up. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I am just bringing you guys along. Oh my god, a school bus. Hello. So yeah, we're gonna be running some errands today. It is currently 3:25 and I do not want to be out all day. The weather is not ideal. It is cold, it's rainy, it's just gray. Like, I'd rather be just inside doing something else, but here we are. I'm gonna try to make the best of this day, so that's why I just decided to vlog it. I'm really gonna try not to drag this day out. I'm already ready to get back home, so yep, sit back, relax. We're just gonna enjoy a vlog. This is what it looks like. They have candles, incense, cards, crystals, and just that kind of stuff. So we're just gonna get into this real quick. I just left the crystal shop, gift shop place or whatever, and hopefully I don't have to make too many other runs, because who likes making all these runs? Hopefully these guys are open. Yeah, they ain't doing nothing. I'm kind of over this vlog, y'all. I don't know. I've never really done one like this before. It's just kind of random, but I made it out of take 5. I got my oil changed, and I'm currently in the parking lot of the beauty supply store, and it's just so rainy out. It's just like, I don't know, I want to go home and watch like a sci-fi movie or something. Mask up. All right. Definitely like a staple. I have a lot of these at home. Keep one in the car. There's some of these to put in the car. These smell really good too. I love these. Scent Bomb, Blunt Life, anything that looks like this. I always get one of these. Always get one in the car. So they got the products in the front and the wigs in the back. This is a really big store. It's not as big as like Tyson Beauty, but I come here all the time. Okay, I remember why I want to go downtown, and it's because there's a Sephora downtown that I was gonna go to also, but look at this fucking rain. Like, I just don't feel like driving in this weather, but I'm ready to get home. Sephora, then the grocery store to pick up some produce, like some little quick stuff hopefully, and then I'm going home.
I just gotta crush your.
I'm in the same like shopping area as in Daco, so the Italian like pizza pasta restaurant I went to, date night spot. Yeah, so like I'm in that same shopping area. I'm about to go to Sephora, which is right there. In Daco is literally right there where the lights are. I'm currently using the Inky List products. I've used the Ordinary before, but I'm using the Inky List now. So these are all the products right here that are used by the Inky List. This is the new one I'm going to be getting. It's the eye cream, either that one or this one, but I use this and this and that. All right guys, last stop. I'm currently in Aldi, just picking out some produce and stuff. I'm gonna get some lettuce. I got a few other things that I buy weekly, like fresh stuff. So believe it or not, I got all this food at Aldi for around $50. 50 or 4. Frozen vegetarian dinners, frozen vegetables also, and shrimp and salmon, frozen fruit for like smoothies and oatmeal, thing of lettuce. They didn't have a smaller one, so I just got the big one. And avocados, that's all the produce stuff. So I'm trying to eat more vegetables and salads and stuff now. So yeah, I got a lot of good stuff. So this should last me a long time, like a very long time. Maybe 2 weeks. Hey guys, sorry, I'm back. It has been a long day, I guess. I don't know. I just kind of forgot that I was vlogging, and I got home and ate dinner and then put the groceries up and stuff. It is 11 o'clock right now and I'm tired. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get like fully ready for bed. What else? I don't know, like this vlog, I don't even know. I hope y'all enjoyed. It was just a little snippet of, I don't know, a day in the life of a young man. Yeah, my hair is so dry. Just don't look at me. I don't know what to say at this point. I guess thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out this little video. I just thought it would be kind of fun and cool to put something together. Really nothing serious, like, at all. To get ready for bed. So I will catch y'all in another video. Thank you for stopping by. Maybe I'll do a better vlog. Just don't look at my hair. Maybe I will do this on another day. Hope you have fun. It was cute, but it's time to go.